One of the worst things I have heard in my adult life is you are only as happy as your least happy kid. And I can't tell you how many times I hear it. I hear it from my clients. I see it online, and I will comment. And maybe some of you have seen the comment. If you are only as happy as your least happy kid, you are not living your life. You are living theirs. Okay, so before you scream at me, let's talk about how we were raised to define what is a good parent. And a lot of us were raised that good parents, especially mothers, put aside their hopes, dreams, wishes, passions, hobbies for the sake of raising a family or being a wife. Or we're told good moms do this and bad moms do that. Good moms get right into the emotions with their kids and are as upset and afraid and pulled down by the weight of whatever is happening because their child is going through something. That's not, in my definition, what I know through my lived experience and my professional experience, a sustainable way to parent, because it puts you in their world, and that does two things. It doesn't allow you to stand in your sovereignty and your empowerment. You can be upset and be afraid and want to help your child, and you will. But your child needs you to be the adult. Your child doesn't need you to get into the mud with them. They're dealing with it. They need you to be the lifeguard. If you're the lifeguard and you jump in without the life preserver, which is pretty much what you do when you're only as happy as your least happy kid, now you're both going to drown. Okay? You as the parent need to understand your child is going through it, but they don't want the responsibility of taking you down with them.